Good evening. This is a crypto market recap for Tuesday, May 20th. So Bitcoin seeing a bit more of a push today. We're still looking just at all-time highs. We are setting daily higher lows. Everything is looking good. And yeah, as long as we are in a 4-hour uptrend, we are looking amazing. And I'm waiting for a pullback of any sort to make an entry, but I have to do it during trading hours because that's the only time I can trade. So Bitcoin still top watch. BNB starting to make its move towards the highs now. 692 is the resistance to be watching, but we've made such a big retracement here that I would expect a lower high on the way back up. Right now we are currently still bear flagging, but it looks we are currently trying to break out of this bear flag that we're in right now on the daily. So chances are it will break at this point, and we will start to make more of a move towards maybe 680 or the 692 level. XRP. So we had our daily bear flag, which confirmed with no follow through. Now we just had an inside bar, so we're just a tightening range. 4-hour equilibrium at this point, and I would be looking at the result of that to give us direction. But if we got the breakdown with no follow through, that could give us our follow through. Litecoin, so we had a breakdown with no follow through originally. Now we're seeing the follow through. So that's one name that had an equilibrium, and now we're seeing follow through. Straight into another bounce. So at this point, daily bear flag with still not a significant amount of follow through at this point, even on Litecoin. Hype, now we're in a double inside bar at this point, so watching this 4-hour equilibrium, watching this, see where this breaks out, and that will give us our better direction. But we have lots of room for our daily higher low still, then 23.28.59. So Hype still looks good, and I mean we're right at that critical level that if we break above, we are looking really good for a big move. And then I would have this on top watch again for a name that could make an all-time high run. Hype is definitely getting up there for high interest in my watch. Ethereum, we're heading back up. We didn't even close below the 8 exponential moving average. This bull flag is trying to confirm now, so now we're looking up at the most recent highs there to see if we can try and confirm that. But odds are much higher that we will, because we didn't retrace that much. Solana, so double inside bar at this time, watching a 4-hour equilibrium, see if this can break bull. And then we head back up to the most recent highs. Ondo, triple inside bar actually. This broke down a little bit. But basically, still a 4-hour tightening range as well. Watching for the break of that. And we have made a lot of room for a lower high on the way back up, so I don't like that. And then we would just have a potential head and shoulders pattern to be watching out for as well. Link, same kind of. We held above this previous resistance, so I like that a bit more. Probably made it to the 0.5 on the way down. Actually, I will check. We made it to the golden pocket. So, odds do favor a lower high and an equilibrium to play out at this point. Sui. Same thing. Just have a 4-hour equilibrium probably playing out now. Trying to confirm bull. And then we would just be looking at the most recent highs. So, Sui's looking okay. XLM. We pulled it back quite a bit on XLM, and lots of resistance here. So I don't like XLM as much as the other names for sure. We've got this 4-hour equilibrium or double inside bar that's trying to break bull right now and break that inside bar there. Bullish. Cardano, back to the golden pocket on the way down. Just trying right now to break this 4-hour equilibrium. We're right there. Just trying to break it now and head back to the most recent highs of 0.864. Kaspa, held above this resistance here, so that's a good sign. This was a daily equilibrium here that broke bull, lots of follow through. got to about to the 0.5 on the way back and holding this. So I like that more for a better chance of a bigger run here to come. Dogecoin, triple inside bar at this point. Big tightening range. And we're trying to break bull at this time. Still in this falling wedge. And that's a good sign. That is a bullish pattern. So with especially with the 8 and 12 moving averages pointed up, things are looking good on Dogecoin for a potential bigger move. Hbar gave a lot back, still a weak bounce, still in a kind of an equilibrium here right now. But yeah, a lot of room for a lower high on the way back up. I don't like Hbar that much. Mochi, we did hold this previous resistance, but we did give a lot of this back. So we can chop around here for quite a while. But we're trying to break this inside bar bullish at this time, and we'll see if we can get a push to this mother bar. This is such a big range, so the break of this will be important, this big indecision candle. AVAX made it down to the golden pocket. Now we're tightening up right here to see if we can make a bull move, and we'll see what the break of this 4-hour equilibrium is, the daily inside bar. Ton, garbage. Daily inside bar, trying to break it bullish, so this would be a breakdown with no follow through, but it's still not good. Still one of the weakest names. Trump, have our daily equilibrium here. Now we're looking at the highs. So Trump's actually looking pretty good here for a potential extended move on the daily here. So then we would be looking up at our recent highs here, and then 1775. And if we can clear 1775, that's a pretty big move to 24. That's a big move right here, this big zone. Not a lot of coins traded in this zone, so we could actually see a pretty good move from there. And that's it. Just a quick run through everything, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.